Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're going to do a quick review on Passpack. Now Passpack claims to be a team password manager for robust password management features, highly secure zero knowledge models and best value for small to medium sized businesses. Now they say they provide a critical first line of defense in a company security profile, secure password generation and credential management. Look at their key features. Now, this is Passpack. This is the virtual shopping assistant here to help answer my questions. So, how can it help? So, I'm asking about the key features. Let's see what's got. So, Passpack streamlines the secure creation and sharing of passwords, boosting efficiency while reducing cost and risk. This is the value of Passpack. It's a collaborative tool packed with value-added features and functions that streamline the secure creation, access, and sharing of digital credentials among authorized team members. It helps lower help desk cost, assist with regulatory compliance, and reduce the risk of cyber threats while improving operational efficiency and employee productivity. So for security collaboration and support, they are here for you. High availability, so 99.9% uptime to meet service level agreement. Scalable system architecture for feature expansion. Store unlimited passwords for infinite teams and users. Platform agnostic cloud solution accessible from any web browser and synchronized access from any device running an operating system, any operating system. It's highly secure. It has centralized management, and you can get started today for free. So we'll talk about the key features. Now let's look about the use cases before we go to the pricing. The page cannot be found for whatever reason. So why should we use Passpack? So it says trusted by experts and recommended by users. It earns 4 stars from technology reviewer best reviews with praise for its standout password generation, sharing, labeling, and reporting features. So it has many great reviews. It has several of industries like financial services, software development, marketing and media, real estate, health service, IT service, human resources, non-profit organizations, education, and so much more. You can also join the Passback Partner Program, and they have set of case studies for you to check. So you can check them out. So what are you waiting for? Get started. Now let's see if we can find the pricing. So we really have plans. Let's see under plans. So we have, these are the plans. We have the teams plan, the business plan, the enterprise plan, and these are other great things you can get from them. So get started today with Pass.